Good design isn't about being the loudest in the room. It's about being the most understood. It's a quiet confidence where every line has a purpose and every feature is created with a deep understanding of the people who will use it. Here, in the clarity of the studio, we can explore that philosophy. This is the Honda CR-V. Let's begin with the exterior form. The design is confident and clean. It doesn't rely on flashy trends or unnecessary decoration. Instead, it uses strong, simple lines to create a sense of stability and purpose. The upright grille and the wide-set headlights give it a handsome, assertive face. The clean shoulder line runs the entire length of the vehicle, creating a sense of poise. And the signature vertical taillights are a nod to a heritage of reliability. It's a shape that doesn't need to shout to be noticed. But the purest expression of this design philosophy is on the inside. This is a masterclass in usability. The dashboard is built on a clean, horizontal axis, which creates a feeling of openness and excellent visibility. The now iconic honeycomb mesh trim is a beautiful, elegant solution that cleverly hides the air vents, reducing visual clutter. This is a cabin designed to be touched. The climate and volume controls are real, physical knobs that click with a deeply satisfying precision. The switchgear feels solid. The materials are high quality. In a world of frustrating touchscreens, this is an interior that is refreshingly intuitive. The intelligence extends to the use of space. The rear seats offer a remarkable amount of legroom and can recline for long-distance comfort. The cargo area is vast, with a low, flat floor that makes loading heavy items easy. It's not just about how much space there is, but how smartly that space is used to make your life easy. Beneath the skin, the same intelligence applies. The advanced hybrid system is the perfect modern powertrain. It's not just about its incredible efficiency. It's about its smoothness and its silence. It contributes directly to the calm, serene atmosphere inside the cabin. It's the logical choice, balancing responsive power with responsibility. In the end, the Honda CR-V is a study in perfect balance. A balance between form and function, between modern technology and timeless usability, between comfort and capability. Its enduring success is not an accident. It is the result of deliberate, thoughtful, and intelligent design.